So there's a couple waiting in the queue, and I think they're both females now. I can see the hairy-footed female flower bee there waiting to pick her a moment before she comes out. You can see the hair on her thorax looks black to me, and she's just got the best face ever. They just look so grumpy, don't they? Just adorable. Now there is one right in, she's retreated right in that one, actually, right back. So, and you can see these good boxes are very, very long. I don't want to disturb that one, but you know, if I show you my hand, they go back a long way. So maybe 6, 7, even 8 newbies in there. Here she comes. I think she might come out shortly. I mean, it could be a trick of the eye, the colour of the fur, but yeah, it might be. It might be male, a brown one. We'll soon find out. No, not happy. It is a bit spitty out here. Bit of weather. Yeah, no, go back in. Thanks. Not a fan. Leave you to it, sweetie pie.